Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use My School Jamaica. To begin, navigate to the official My School Jamaica website using your preferred web browser. You will find the login portal prominently displayed on the home page. Students and parents will use their unique credentials provided by the school to access their respective dashboards. Ensure you have your username and password ready for a smooth entry into the platform's three main sections. Once logged in, students can easily access their academic information. The Assignments tab displays all current and past tasks, including due dates and submission status. Your Grades section provides a clear overview of your performance across all subjects. You can also communicate directly with your teachers through the built-in messaging system, ensuring you stay connected and informed about your learning journey every day. Parents have a dedicated dashboard designed to keep them fully engaged in their child's education. Here, you can monitor academic progress, view attendance records, and access report cards with just a few clicks. The Announcements section keeps you updated on school events and important notices. This portal offers 24-hour access to vital information, fostering a strong partnership between home and school for student success. To maximize your My School experience, regularly check the Help section for frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides. If you encounter any technical difficulties, the support team is available via email or phone during school hours, typically from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Explore advanced features like calendar synchronization to integrate school events with your personal schedule, ensuring you never miss an important date or deadline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.